What's up, Storms of Madness? Well, we've been waiting for this day, and we're finally. You come over here. You probably remember this lawnmower, of course. It's a Yardworks with a Kohler engine. It's a very old lawnmower. Just so you don't remember it, do you remember this grass bag that looks familiar? Oh. We're taking out this Yardworks lawnmower with a Kohler engine. It's going to be the first pull start of this front wheel drive lawnmower. Gonna have to raise the cutting height. You put it too low. Number 3 is good enough. So let's put it over here and then we'll put the bars up. And here it is, a 6 3/4 horsepower, 149cc, front wheel drive Yardworks. From a 2014 model. And you keep watching the lawnmower, and I'll just grab the bagger. Here's the Yardworks bag. If you're wondering why it has this, because it's a special lawnmower. Most Yardworks mowers like this do not have this on their bag. So I'm just gonna, well, it's just do the, oh my god, they're almost broken. I'll just leave it right there. And it's a pretty great lawnmower, I would say. After that, after I'm done this, I'm gonna put the bag on, check if it has gas in it, and if it's not, I'll see what I could do, and we'll start the engine. So, this is a 2014 model lawnmower from Yardworks. You could check the model number. And there's actually like 3 models like this. This is the model with the front wheel drive and the grass bag. There's like 2 other models. Let's say there's one with a side discharge and mulch with no bag, and it's a push model. Then there's another one with the bag, but it's a push model. This one is the self-propelled model, front wheel drive. And it's got a pretty good engine. So that's a hubcap. Let's see. Okay, there's only a little bit of gas. Pretty sure it's not that bad. We'll double check after. Let's check the air filter. Oh boy, pretty dirty, isn't it?
A little bit clean.
We need a new air filter. Okay, it's a good thing this is called a velocity stack. It creates a little vortex inside the carburetor. So let's get this air filter back in. Like as far as this air filter goes, it is pretty dirty. You could see, like, it's hard to find these ones, but it's easy to find on Amazon. Normally there's ones for Hondas and Tecumsehs, but they get them at a parts store for $4 a piece. But even these on Amazon, they're like $12.99. So most people get these at a local parts store. So we'll just take that air filter, pop it in just like that. These 2 hooks here, push that till it clips. Front wheel drive, and come over here. You could see there's a model number that's about to come off the rear door. This is the Yardworks from like that. So if you guys are just wondering whether or not you have the proper spark plug in an engine that, let's say, is on a lawnmower that you bought, you gotta get your model number, serial number. So in this case, it's on a sticker on the back of the fuel tank. Then you type it on Google. Then I'll show you cross-reference. So here's the lawnmower, pretty good. All right, let's move right there. Yeah. So I believe it'll take a bit of time to start it. So let's give it a pull start. And this might not work on the first time, but let's give it a start up. It's the last time, so let's see. Oh, perfect! It's gonna rewind by itself. Self-power is good. It sounded like it was about to do that thing. So, without further ado, let's go to the front, take out the leaves. Wow, these lenses are perfect.
working?
Yep. Except,
I don't know. I don't think it works because I still have a little bit.
I think the deck's a little bit high. I'm just gonna lower it all the way down. Oh boy.
What? Is it full?
It looks full because it's puffed up. Oh, finally! This thing is starting to work. Like,
Try to get this one and see.
I think we should empty this first.
Is it a lot?
Okay.
Ready?
You're recording?
Yep.
Okay, so we just finished emptying the bag. If you hear that noise in the background, that's coming from down the hill. Probably the kids playing.
Kids, yeah.
But without further ado, let's continue. I pulled it halfway, so it doesn't go all, so it doesn't take that long. Is it doing anything? break. That leaf pile in front of you.
Where are you going? Okay, Storm. Storm.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the end a little bit without the bag. You can see the bags right there. It's a big full bag. What was that? A puff of smoke. What was that all about? Alright. Pause. this is going to be the final start of this lawnmower. So let's just do it. And now it's ready to be stored away. So I think I have an idea. If your kids, don't try this at home, but I'm going to start the lawnmower like this a bit, and it will rewind. But first, I'm just gonna take it off of this, so it rewinds all the way there.
I don't think it will though.
It will.
It's not gonna do it because that's all it is.
Let's try. Oh, it is. Look at that. Isn't that funny? There goes. At least it did a little bit. That should do for a bit. Alright, now.
How are you gonna bring it to the house?
I'll just push it. That's how it works. That's what you call a strong man.
All right.
It's a good thing I know how to do this. I'm a man.
All right.
I'm much stronger than my dad thinks. Yep, soon we'll be moving out our house.
Who?
Hang on. See what it says on the muffler? Hot! Okay, now, back to where it was. And now, let's just I'll just take this bag. We'll see this bag another time.